In efforts to help balance some unbalanced relationships, I hope to answer some questions that you may have. Question: what does the Lord say about making people like gods, putting them before my relationship with Him? Answer: you shall have no other gods before me. Referenced in Exodus chapter 20, verse 3. I want you to know that God wants you to depend on Him, to totally rely on Him, not on people or things or self-effort. My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. From Psalm 73, verse 26. Also, to believe that He will meet all of your needs. You can safely reveal your hurts and your fears and your needs to God. He will be your need meter. From Isaiah chapter 58, verse 11. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Also, to trust in Him to take care of your loved ones. Trust in Him at all times. You people, pour out your hearts to Him, for God is our refuge. From Psalm chapter 62, verse 8. And lastly, to rely on Christ, whose life in you will enable you to overcome any destructive dependencies that you may have. The one Christ who is in you is greater than the one Satan who is in the world. 1 John chapter 4, verse 4. Thank you for listening.